Hey guys, welcome to Yard Sale Decor Turn Up Your Bedroom TV series. I'm Julian. If you're watching this, then you are definitely passionate about decorating your bedroom. Okay guys, so here we've added our two runners that come with the bed sheet set and our glass vase filled with fern leaves and some shells and stones. Don't you like that orange stone that's popping out right there? And there's our nice size animal print cushion and our DIY ottoman. And here's the bed dress in our lovely sheet set from Yard Sale Decor, our bedspread, our throw, animal print throw to tie back in with the cushion over there in the sofa. Yes, and as you can see, we've played with the white and the brown, and because the room is white already, we have a lot of the darker browns to tone down the white. And here's our lovely DIY wall art. Okay guys, so that's it for our Afrocentric theme. We do a new theme each month, so if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click that bell for notifications. And leave a comment below to tell us what you think. So see you guys next month. Thanks for watching.